Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.
Let me say this clearly, that one of the reasons why we invite our leaders to come and commission our projects is because in these days of politicking, so many things you see on television, sometimes they are not real. In most cases are fake. But when you come physically by yourself, you'll be able to see whether this thing they showed me yesterday or I've been watching, are they really real or not? I'm sure you're one of the leaders that will never go and tell lies. You cannot say you didn't say anything and you say you saw. Or you won't say that you saw something and you say you didn't see. So it's very, very clear. So when you go back, you'll be able to tell our people that the People's Democratic Party is doing well in Rivers State. And I'm sure that's what obtains in other states of the PDP control. Here, people are no longer accusing us that we are not doing anything. The accusation now is, yes, they are doing something, but they are taking loans. Before, we are not doing. But now they have seen a lot of things we are doing. They now say we are taking loans. It's good. We are taking loans, as they said, and people are seeing what we are doing. But their own government is taking loan. Have you seen anything? It's better to take loan and do something for your people. Something that people will see with their eyes. Not every time National Assembly will approve $2 billion US dollars, $4 billion US dollars, $10 billion US dollars. At the end of the day, is there anything to show of the loans we have taken? So, but in this case too, let me tell that the way we want to kill APC in this state is not to beat them. No. We are killing them silently by rolling out projects upon projects. That is the only way you can stifle the opposition in your state. Showcase that you have something to do better than them. And the only way you can expose a previous administration is by you doing things that even at the time there's an economic crisis, when they were in power, there was no economic crisis. So much money was coming to the state, and we saw little or nothing. But now we have economic crisis. We are seeing more. That is to say that we are managing our resources prudently than what they were doing. If we could do this when the entire national economy is in distress, then what would have happened if we had the money they had then? Then here would have been a different place. So nobody again can accuse our party, nobody again can accuse our administration that there's nothing going on in Rivers State. We have gone virtually around all the 23 local governments, all the ethnic groups. No one can say they have been left behind. Nobody can say that. No longer Port Harcourt, no longer Obiakpo. Yesterday we were in Calabari areas, and we flagged off the Trans-Calabari Road, which most of them have been crying and been making noise that government is playing them well. That they have seen that is a reality. Yesterday, we were able to be granted to hold Nigerian Law School here. And by the grace of God, in the next 6 months, Nigerian Law School, Port Harcourt branch, will be ready. These are things that they were not able to achieve, even when we were in government then, that the government gave to us to have a law school here. We refused it. But to the glory of God, we have brought back that law school. And we assure our people it's going to be one of the best in this country. And I continue to appeal to our people, continue to be patient and continue to pray for us. Like I said before, Nigeria needs prayers. Nigeria needs prayers to come out from this situation we find ourselves. Not that we wanted this to, but we gave a government a party that was not prepared to govern, a party that came through propaganda, social media, lies. Now we have seen what we have cost ourselves. We allowed the party through social media to tell us lies and convince Nigerians. That was how you voted for them in 2015. Now look at the level of suffering. Look at how all of us are feeling today. Will they allow the social media again to deceive us? The same people who use social media, they are no longer happy with social media. He who kills through gun will die by gun, is it not? Since he came through social media, he must also go through social media. If they agree they have made a mistake, tell them, okay, don't make it again, wait. We don't want another mistake. Because if you allow the second mistake, that will lead to our death. And let me warn all of you who are businessmen, trailers, let me just warn now. If I see trailers again parking on this road, I'm just saying it now. So those of you who carry propaganda, oh, because we are from social plate, I don't care. I don't care. Whatever you come from, the mere fire coming from somewhere does not give you privilege to carry trailer and block a road. Here is not for market. This is here for vehicles to pass and go and do their business. So if you are here thinking that we have done road for you to carry your trailers and come and block here, far. I will not agree. Things must be done well. We must do things like human beings. Look at how the road is now open. Don't you like it? In the next 2 days now, you see they will carry all their tankers and cover the whole place. Bring your tanker, I will seize it. Apart from God, the next people is the rivers people. Nobody can come from anywhere to dictate what I will do here. I will do what is for the interest of my people. Now, let me also tell some of you, those of you who think that you can use that slaughter to do whatever you are doing. Slaughter belongs to the local government and to the state. Nobody can say they will run the slaughter. Nobody can say that. Very soon I will come over to that place and we'll take our slaughter and put the management of those to manage that slaughter. Heaven will not fall. If you like, write letter to Abuja, whatever you want to write. Don't waste time, write it now. We cannot be slaves to other people. And we will never be slaves. You come to a place, you must obey the rules. You must abide by the rules. You don't just come here and set your own rules. I will not accept it. So I'm going to do that. I just want to invite the chairman of the council and let me one all of you write a letter to Federal Minister of Agriculture. Stop wasting your time. Federal Minister of Agriculture does not own the slaughter. The slaughter is owned by Rivers State Government or other local government council. If you want to run the place, you must go to the council and say we want to run the place. Then they will allow you or not. Not for you to come and tell us that you own the slaughter. You own whose slaughter? Your father built the slaughter there. People should stop all this rubbish. The slaughter was built with our money. I built the market in that slaughter when I was chairman of the local government council. So how can you come and tell me that you own a slaughter? You came from somewhere and bought the slaughter down. You're a businessman, you want to do something, it's okay. These are the rules. If you don't want it, you go to another place. But not for you to come and dictate. Enough is enough.